And welcome. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of knitting. This tutorial is designed for beginners, so even if you've never touched a pair of needles, you're in the right place. We'll start from the very basics, guiding you step by step through the process. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need yarn and knitting needles. The size of your needles and the type of yarn you choose depend on your project. For beginners, it's often easiest to start with a medium weight yarn and size 8 or 9 needles. You can find these at any craft store or online. Now, let's learn how to cast on. Casting on is how you get your stitches onto the needle to begin knitting. There are several methods, but we'll use the long tail cast on, as it's a popular and straightforward option. To begin, pull out a length of yarn about 3 times the width of your project. Make a slip knot and put it on one needle. Hold the needle with the slip knot in your right hand. Now, drape the yarn over your left hand, with the working yarn. The yarn connected to the ball going over your index finger, and the tail end of the yarn going over your thumb. Insert the needle under both strands of yarn on your thumb. Then, bring the needle over the yarn on your index finger. Catch the yarn, and pull it through the loop on your thumb. Drop the loop from your thumb, and tighten the new stitch on the needle. You've cast on your first stitch. Repeat this process until you have the desired number of stitches on your needle. This is the foundation of your knitted piece. Once you're done, you can start knitting the first row. We'll move on to the basic knit stitch. Hold your needle with the cast on stitches in your left hand and the empty needle in your right hand. Insert the right hand needle into the first stitch on the left hand needle, from left to right. Wrap the working yarn around the right hand needle. Use the right hand needle to pull the yarn through the stitch on the left hand needle. Drop the old stitch off the left hand needle. You now have a new stitch on your right hand needle. Repeat this process for each stitch on the left hand needle. You've completed your first row of knitting. To continue knitting, turn your work so the right hand needle becomes your left hand needle. Repeat the knit stitch for each row. As you knit, you'll start to see a fabric forming. Keep going until your project reaches the desired length. Once your knitting is complete, it's time to cast off. This secures your stitches so your project doesn't unravel. Insert the right hand needle into the first 2 stitches on the left hand needle, as if you were going to knit them together. Knit those 2 stitches together. You'll now have 1 stitch on your right hand needle. Insert the right hand needle into the next stitch on the left hand needle and knit those 2 stitches together. Continue this process until only 1 stitch remains on your right hand needle.